21 traditional decorating ideas for living rooms. The interior design firm Studio McGee dubbed this assignment the Country Club Traditional Project. The goal was to give their clients' traditional-styled home a fresh and modern update. The pretty patterned wallpaper adds personality to the neutral dining room while creating visual separation from the rest of the space. The interior designer paid close attention to texture when sprucing the living room. A prime example. Notice the cowhide layered over the seagrass rug. It adds a layer of softness, which makes the area free more inviting underfoot. The homeowners wanted a traditional dining room that felt fresh and hip. Enter interior design firm, Libra Studio. This cozy den by the designer team at Interior Anthology has a distinctly masculine edge from the dark color scheme to the comfortable leather furniture. The Persian rug is a traditional piece that provides something soft to sink toes. The built-in bookcases add practical function while introducing symmetry. The piano, which is the focal point in the room, throws focus to the gallery wall behind it. Yellow reigns in a traditional dining room by Martha O'Hara Interiors. Pretty patterned curtains frame the French doors leading to the deck. The velvet upholstered chairs are an excellent match for the sunny space. The iron chandelier is a chic and timeless feature. The farmhouse-inspired table gives the lovely room a fresh, contemporary spin. The crowning jewel in this traditional master bedroom spotted on HomePolish is the hand-carved, four-poster bed frame. Two wood end tables that match in color but not style along with wall-mounted lighting lend balance. Quirky and colorful accent pillows and a pom-pom blanket make the room feel more inviting by neutralizing the furniture's formal vibe. Here is a tasteful vignette with roots in traditional style by Square House Studios. The display combines pieces from different eras and artistic styles. Anchoring the array is a glass-topped mid-century sideboard. The framed art above it shares a color scheme. The matching lamps add symmetry. The bear sculpture in the middle is one of the homeowner's prized possessions. Blue and coral are favorite traditional design colors. In this Victoria revival decorated by Martha O'Hara Interiors, the lovely hues brighten the walls with dark wood embellishments. Metallic accents including the brass fire screen add a bit of glitz. The crystal chandelier lends old-school glam. The rug on the floor brings all the colors used throughout the room together. This gorgeous traditional living room by Interior Anthology conveys old-world glamour by combining warm, beautiful colors with luxurious fabrics and classic accents. In this large living room by design firm, Yes Associates, a mid-century modern sofa is combined with a mash-up of traditional furnishing from different eras. Notice the decor, though abundant, is not cluttered but carefully controlled and chosen with care. The result is an eclectic, yet traditional space that is comfortable and yet elegant. Make a stylish statement with a traditional interior filled with found pieces. This bedroom featured on Havenly is virtually brimming with antiques collected during travels abroad. The animal print carpet, which sets the color scheme, instantly grabs our eyes. Decorative accessories that cover the wall add architectural appeal. Monogram bedding lends preppy flair. A French provincial headboard adds a romantic touch to this traditional girl's bedroom by Turek Design. Matching nightstands and lamps flank the bed. At the foot of the mattress is a plush, upholstered bench with Hepplewhite style legs. Sweetening the space are the walls in ballerina pink by Benjamin Moore. The finishing touch is the elegant crown molding that takes the charming room to a sophisticated new level. The owner of this Brooklyn townhouse wanted to fill the historic home with traditional decor in playful colors and decorative finishes. In the living room, Jessica Helgerson Interiors choose to anchor the space with a multi-hued rug. Classic furniture in unexpected colors was next artfully arranged. The branching chandelier by Lindsay Adelman is a modern and timeless feature that adds drama. A Chesterfield sofa sets the tone in this traditional living room by Turek Design. Matching sets of end tables, table lamps, and accent chairs create a symmetrical arrangement that feels both elegant and effortless. The large painting over the sofa unifies the room's color scheme. We love traditional cooking spaces that include invigorating pops of color like this example by Martha O'Hara Interiors. Pretty fabric dresses up the counter stools. The kitchen cabinets resemble fine furniture. The navy kitchen island adds depth. Notice the back walls? They are two different neutral shades. Another notable feature in traditional kitchens is statement lighting that feels more elegant than utilitarian. Here, two chrome lantern pendants get the job done. The couple who owns this condo hired Square House Studios to create a traditional space with a bright and airy vibe. A gorgeous mix of small decorative pieces blends beautifully with the neutral color scheme. Metallic accents including the legs on the marble coffee table and brass sculptures on the shelves add a little glitz. The custom cabinetry and exacting millwork lend elegance. The Belgian-inspired sofa is by Restoration Hardware. It is balanced by sophisticated seating, a small wing chair and a contemporary club chair. We think the best examples of traditional decorating feels both formal and approachable, like this beach-inspired living room brimming with traditional elements by Penny Designs. A traditional foyer by Martha O'Hara Interiors makes a chic first impression with old-world-inspired furnishings. A Lewis armchair creates a spot to put on or take off shoes. A classic, rounded cabinet works as a landing strip. Superb wainscoting dresses up the walls. A quatrefoil mirror adds sparkle. Here is a classic example of a traditional sitting room by the design team at Interior Anthology. The color palette sticks to neutral tones highlighted by soft, metallic accents. Notice the symmetry in the space that establishes balance, the end tables, mirrors, and lamps flanking the fireplace. The wallpaper brings delicate pattern. The impressionist painting over the fireplace lends warmth. At first glance, this bedroom by the interior design firm, Get Decorated, feels incredibly modern, and it is. But upon closer inspection, you will notice staples of traditional decorating. Matching walnut end tables and a set of ceramic lamps flank the bed. The upholstered headboard is a tasteful feature that feels luxurious. Flowers and greenery punch up the mostly white room with small doses of colors. We mentioned earlier that traditional decor incorporates a pretty broad range of styles. Here, the design team behind Heather Garrett Design blend decorative pieces from different periods and artistic traditions to create a stunning vignette. Brass accents including the drawer knobs and statement lighting unify the look. Architectural details, old-world-inspired furniture, and quality materials are all hallmarks of traditional kitchens. This white space by the interior design firm, Turek Design, is chock full of tasteful embellishments. Crown molding tops the cabinets. Over the range is a custom hood surround. The marble backsplash has a lovely inset around the pot filler faucet. The countertops were cut from quality black marble with frosty veining. The back spindle bar stools pour on the old-fashioned charm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.